nobody ever said, I repeat it here, that university funds are going to be done away with. No. I think it's better we get the entire story. For those of us who were in Dedan Kimathi, what we said is yes, government is supporting universities, and the government will be able to continue supporting universities through capitation and even infrastructural funds that the government does support universities each and every year, and that is clearly manifested in the Kenya Kwanza manifesto, the education charter. If you look at it, we have said as a government, if it is money for research, we want it increased from 0.8% to 2%. So our universities relax, get assured that the government will continue the way it has been doing over the years to fund our universities. But we are also asking, and this is what we agreed when I was in Dedan Kimathi University, that if there are other ways that we can also be able to generate income for our universities, why not?